leather, 1 owner, rear spoiler, 2008 Nissan Altima 2.5S, in RI, equipped with anti-lock brake system brakes, air conditioning, AM/FM CD audio system, delay-off headlights, 4-wheel independent suspension, front bucket seats, leather seats, panic alarm, rear spoiler, remote keyless entry, and speed control. Don't pay too much for the superb-looking car you want. Come on down and take a look. Automatic transmission. This charming 2008 Nissan Altima. It's an amazingly fuel-efficient Nissan. No longer will you break the bank when you pull up to the gas pump. Happily serving RI and MA residents. We are located on the Seekonk, MA and E Providence, RI line. Call or email Nissan of East Providence in today. Your Rhode Island Nissan dealer of choice.